How do Irish towns celebrate St. Patrick's Day differently? Imagine walking through a small Irish village where the streets burst with traditional music, storytelling, and local pride. Every town in Ireland has its own way of marking St. Patrick's Day, reflecting its history and community spirit. While the day is a national holiday with many shared customs, each place adds its own special touch. In Dublin, the biggest celebrations happen with a grand parade that draws hundreds of thousands of people. The parade features marching bands, colorful floats, and dancers in traditional costumes. It usually takes place in the city center and lasts several hours. Dublin also hosts large festivals with concerts, street performers, and fireworks. Outside the capital, towns keep their celebrations more intimate and community-focused. For example, in Cork, local bands play lively Irish folk music in pubs and town squares. People wear green, but not just for fun. Green is a symbol of Irish nationalism and pride. Some towns have street fairs with crafts, food stalls, and storytelling sessions about Irish legends. In smaller villages like Killarney or Dingle, celebrations often revolve around church services honoring St. Patrick, the patron saint. Afterward, locals gather in pubs for traditional music sessions. These gatherings are lively but cozy, emphasizing Irish culture and friendship. Many towns also light up landmarks in green, like bridges or historic buildings, to show their festive spirit. Food customs vary from place to place. While Americans often eat corned beef and cabbage, Irish towns tend to stick with traditional Irish dishes. Fish and chips, roast lamb, or hearty stews are common. Pubs serve Irish whiskey, stout beers, and sometimes special drinks like Irish coffee. In some towns, you might see regional specialties like Tullamore Dew whiskey mixed with apple juice, called a tapple dew. Some towns include unique customs tied to local history. For instance, towns with a strong nationalist past might hold cultural festivals or political rallies celebrating Irish identity. Others might host arts festivals, showcasing Irish dance, language, or folklore. Travelers can enjoy these differences by visiting various towns during St. Patrick's Day. Each place offers a glimpse into Ireland's rich history, lively culture, and deep-rooted traditions. Whether it is a big parade or a small pub gathering, every town celebration reflects the pride and spirit of Irish communities. Participating in these events can give you a real sense of Irish culture and the importance of this holiday to the people.